Hi everyone. In previous videos we have read 5 chapter, and in this videos we will read the 6th chapter of this book. This is class 1 English book of ICSE board, Fragrance English Reader, and 6th chapter of this book is Balloons for Me. Toot 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 toot. That is the balloon man. He brings us lots of balloons every day. Red, blue, green, yellow, so many colors. Balloon man, balloon man. He sees me and stops near my gate. He has so many balloons, big, small, and long ones. Means this balloon man is having different sizes of balloons. I choose a long one for myself. I play games with my balloon. Who says this? A little boy says this, that I choose a long one for myself and I play games with my balloons. So, one moment, I am a chowkidar. So, chowkidar work is guarding of house. So, he says, I am a chowkidar guarding my house. So, he is guarding his house. Sometimes, I even ride it like a horse. So, how people ride a horse, same way he also ride that balloon. A little later, after some time, I am a grandpa going for a walk. How our grandpa goes for a walk with the help of that stick. Same way, he is telling that I am a grandpa and going for a walk with the help of my balloon. When mummy ties it to my back, sometime her mother ties it in her back so it looks like a tail. So I jump over the chairs and tables and climb onto the window sill like a monkey. When I get tired of playing monkey, I change my balloon into a train. So now balloon became train. Chuk 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 chuk. Ooh. Then I make a little flag, and as I am going to put it. So now it became flag. Fatak. I hear a loud sound. I jump onto the bed. What happened? So where is my balloon? He asked. My balloon has burst. Now balloon burst and the fatak, that sound was of balloon. I look at the flag in my hand and begin to cry because balloon burst. Just then I hear someone coming. I throw the flag and rush out of the room. So what happened next? Suddenly I stop. Hello, little one, I have something for you. It's my papa. I run to him. Thank you, papa. Thank you so much. I love balloons. They are such fun. So after seeing balloons, the boy became happy and says thank you to his father because father brought so many balloons for the boy and boy loves balloon too much. Now we will do some question answers. Right, true means T, or not true, then anti. The balloon man comes every day. Yes, true. The balloon man stop near the school. No, it's anti. The balloon man does not bring red balloons. Anti, he brings. The balloon man has big, small, and long balloons. True. Circle the balloon. The boy chooses. So long or round. So long one he has chosen. So long will be the answer. This question number 3 we will do in copy. 4 number you do tick what the balloon becomes for the boy. Horse, dog, no, tail, yes, train, yes. Now filling the blanks. One moment. I am a chowkidar, CHOWKIDAR. A little later, I am grandpa, GRANDPA, going for a walk. When mummy ties it on my back, it looks like a tail, TAIL. 6 number also we will do in copy, and after that think and answer. So think and answer also we will do in copy. After that some means grammar parts are there. So in this grammar part neuter gender is there. What is the meaning of neuter gender? So the name of non-living things that we know, non-living things like chair, table, books, these all are non-living things, are called neuter gender. These all are called neuter gender. Underline the neuter gender in the following sentences. What we have to do, we have to underline the neuter gender. So neuter gender in this sentence will be what that you will see. Keep this book on the table. So what we will do, we will underline the neuter gender. So book is neuter gender. First you underline. Underline book, underline table. I go to school. School is neuter gender, bus is neuter. I am learning to play guitar. Guitar is that neuter gender. There is a big tree near my house. House is neuter gender. He or she. The words girl, sister, mother, and queen belong to the she group, and the words boy, brother, father, and king belong to the he group. Match the she words to their he words. So what will be the he word of girl, boy? So you have to match girl with boy, man with woman, king with queen. Now, what we will do, we will have to read the given words and then write them in correct columns. Cow, bull, uncle, peacock, princess, aunt, prince, peahen. So cow you have to see. Cow word will come in he or she category. So cow is a female. You have to write in C category. Bull he category. Then uncle he category. Peacock he category. Princess that is C category. And aunt C category. Prince he category. Peahen C category. Now next page we will see. In next page what you have to do? In next page we have to see this is joining words. Read these sentences. Ranu draws a hut and Ranu colors it. Mona has a dog. Ranu draws. Now you see that two sentences are there, and after adding means joining words it became one. Ranu draws a hut and colors it. Here you see Mona has a dog. Mona has a cat. Mona has a dog and a cat. So after joining it we got only one sentence. This is the correct way to join sentences. So the word join sentences are called joining words. So here you see and here also you will see more joining words, but also is a joining word or also is a joining word. Underline the joining words in the following sentences. The dog is big and brown. So and is a joining word. I like sweets and chocolates and is a that joining words. The children run and play in the garden and is joining word. I have a bag and a book. So and is a joining word. Monu plays with a toy car and a ball and is a joining word. Goldilocks eats up the pollies and sleeps on the bed. So and is a joining word. So here circle the right words. I want to eat a cake. So what will be the joining words here? Perfect joining word you have to choose and or but. So I want to eat cake and chips. You can go to a zoo or a park. Both things are possible. My granny is very old, but still she looks pretty. Sneha takes a pencil and starts drawing. Suman is naughty, but her sister is quiet. Amita sees sheep, trees, flowers, and peas. Now, what we will do, we will see this side that work in pairs means two students can do these work in pairs. Now use after that they can use these words also. This one we have to read properly. Tub, hub, cub, bun, sun, run, cut, hut, but, umbrella, uncle, under. Eat the bun. This is my uncle. What is the color of the tub? Stand under the umbrella. Now listen the riddles and write the answers. Some means riddles we have to read, and that is on page number 112. 112 page you will take out and see page chapter number is 6. I fly up high in the sky, I have wings. So in first bird will be already written. Second you see I am sweet and yellow, I grow on a big tree. So that will be mango already written. And after that I rhyme with best, I rhyme with best, I give birds a place to rest. I am what am I? Can you guess? Is this will be nest. So nest is it. Now round and round I go, I am found in carts. I am found in carts, I make them move. Can you guess who am I? So that will be wheel. Now next page. Come to the next page. This page. Use the hints given in the box and write the names of these places. This places is of park. I come here to play. PAR park spelling. And this picture is of zoo. I come here to see animals. ZOO. I come here to buy toys, chocolates and other things. And this is shop. I come here to buy stamps. Post office it is. I sleep in this room. Bedroom it is. When I want to read a book, I get it from the library. So this also completes the sentences using the words given in the box. Ravi plays with his friends in the park. He comes from home before it becomes dark. Then he sits down to study. So the chapter first question is, what does the boy do with his balloons? So the boy plays games with his balloon. Who brings colorful balloons for the boy at the end? His father brings colorful balloons for the boy at the end. Now we will do think and answer. What does the balloon become when the boy says chuk chuk chuk? So balloon becomes train when the boy says chuk chuk chuk. So we can write the balloon becomes a train when the boy says chuk chuk chuk. Why does the boy cry? The boy cries because his balloon burst. Thank you.